Hey guys, it's your girl Esther, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun. Hey, listen, I'm back with another video. Of course, I told you guys that I was coming and I'm coming hard. All right, so basically here I have a video, a time-lapse video of me doing a loc detox on freeformed hair. I should say semi-freeformed hair. I think he's been locked about 3 or 4 years and he has not gotten a retwist in about 4 months, and he's lucky to find me where I can actually, do his hair the way he wants it, or even better than what he thought he could achieve. So this is a cool time lapse of me detoxing his hair and also styling it. I also have text throughout the video and I'll pop in here and there. All right, so in this clip I'm basically taking each strand and taking out the buildup that's in the loc itself and squeezing the lemon throughout his hair. And at this point, he's been sitting in the water for about 30 minutes. Do you guys see that? This is his first detox from when he started his locs. I would tell you the steps of how to do a loc detox, but there are a gajillion videos out there on how to do it, and I personally like time-lapse videos because I want to see and get to the point faster. So that's the reason why I did it the way I did. So there's no oh, you put 1 cup of this and 2 ounces of that. I just I didn't have time for it. All right, this is basically his second wash, so I had to do a second wash for him, and I let him sit in this one for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so I do want to apologize in advance because the angle of the video wasn't up to par and my head kept getting in the way. I wanted to show you guys that I just did 1 wash on him, but I'm so sorry. Enjoy it while you can see what's on it, or some of it. Alrighty, guys, this is basically the result of the hair. I think I killed it. I snapped on this one. I killed it. It looks so good. He was so happy. He came around like 2:30 and I was done about like 5:15. I feel like that was a very quick process to me. It was pretty quick. He didn't, there was no complaining. Everything is flawless. It was great. All the products are listed down below in the description box if you are interested. Thank you so much for viewing the video for this long. If you have viewed the video for this long, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this video and I'll continue posting videos like this. I'm going to go ahead and let you finish watching the rest. All right. See you guys on the next flip. Bye.